Let's see how you can easily build an AI agent or AI chatbot for a painting company that can simply work on the Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, SMS, even on other channels too. So here I'm in a demo account. First of all, you need to connect the support channels like Facebook page, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, SMS and other channels. So if you are wondering how to connect these channels, you can simply click on this channels option. It will take you directly to settings channels where you can easily connect your Facebook page. Simply log in with Facebook and choose your Facebook page. Likewise Instagram, log in with Instagram and just connect it right there. So if you're wondering how to connect Instagram, click on learn more. Here we have the step-by-step guide as well how this process works, but in this demo account we have actually connected this demogetic media account as well. So here if I open that specific guide over here, you will see the connect button. You will be prompted to log in with Instagram. Make sure all these permissions are allowed and then simply choose your Instagram account and connect it. That's it. So once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of automations on Instagram. Likewise, it works the same for the WhatsApp. You can even connect the same existing WhatsApp business phone number as well. So you can actually connect a phone number from Twilio for the SMS, etc. All right, and for the AI, you can actually in the integrations you can actually connect any of these AI models like OpenAI, Google Gemini, Cloud, XA, or DeepSeek as well. So once you have done that, you can actually go to the AI Hub and create any sort of AI agents for your own business. So in this case, let's see how to build one for the painting solutions or painting company. So here we have some information about Brightline Painting Solutions. So it has all the information, introduction about the company, the service they provide, and some pricing information as well. Apart from that, you also have other information, warranty details, booking process, some frequently asked questions, etc. as well. All right, so here we have all the information about that specific company, and let's use this information to build the AI agent or AI chatbot. So this is a company name, Brightline Painting Solutions. So let me copy this one, and here in the AI Hub, let's create a new one. So let me create a new one and say Brightline Painting Solutions. All right, and click continue. And here let me copy all the information right here and add that information right here. All right, paste it. All right, so here it says this is the information. So here you can actually update the prompt as well. For example, let's say you are a helpful assistant to this particular company, and let me say respond to customers questions in just 1 to 2 sentences. All right, so here I have updated the prompt as well, and we have all the information. And here if you click on this option, here you have the option to choose the specific models you are planning to use. So this is the first priority of the model OpenAI. So here you can set the specific model like GPT 5.4, 5.5, GPT 5.4 mini, etc. And only if the OpenAI fails, it will try to generate a response from the cloud as well. So since we have connected all these AI models, it shows up right here. Otherwise, if you have connected only one, you will see only one model like OpenAI, and here you can choose any of these preferred models as well. All right, and here you can adjust the temperature as well. All right, max tokens and other things as well, and click save. All right, it has been saved. So now you have to make this as the default agent as well, so that it will simply handle all those responses. So here click on this option, Brightline Painting Solutions, make as the default agent. All right, so now it will simply work on all these connected channels right here, including the Facebook page, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and other channels too. And here another important thing is that if you want to delay the responses, so instead of sending the responses immediately, you can actually delay these responses as well. So here choose the bot reply delay right here, and set how long the bot waits before replying after the user's last message. If the user sends another message, timer resets and message are queued into a single response as well. So if you want, you can actually delay these responses as you wish. And here in the AI Hub, if you open the specific AI agent, here we have this transfer to the human as well. So by default, you will see this AI tool connect user to human. So whenever a customer requests a human help, or if they want to talk to a human agent, if their intent is that, then it will automatically post the chatbot and transfer the chats as well. All right, so that's another thing right here. So let's test how this actually works. So here let's test this on the WhatsApp, but it works on the Facebook page, Instagram, and other channels too. So let me share my phone screen over here. So here I'm in the WhatsApp, and let me send a message right here saying, what services do you provide? All right, so I'm asking about the services. So let's see what sort of response we are receiving. So here we receive the response. It says it provide residential, commercial painting services, interior, exterior painting, etc., etc. All right. So here, let me ask about the pricing as well. So here, for the exterior house painting, if it's a small home, it's 2,500 just for the demo. So let me say, how much does it cost for the exterior house painting if it is a small house? All right, so let me send this and see what happens over here. So it says for small home, exterior housing value typically starts at 2,500. For the most accurate pricing, we recommend scheduling a free estimate since cost can vary based on service condition and prep work needed. Simple as that. So it provides the basic fee, starting fee, but it simply push them to request a quote for the exact or the accurate price as well. All right, simple as that. So like this, if you ask any other question, it will simply work as well. For example, let me ask about the founding year. So this is founded in 2012. So let me ask about the founding year. So it should say 2012. Simple as that. So likewise, it will simply answer any sort of questions. And if a particular customer's intent is to talk with a human agent, it will simply post the chatbot as well. So now if we go to the unified inbox where you can track conversation from all these support channels. So inbox, we should see the conversation from the WhatsApp right here. So WhatsApp, here this is the conversation just happened. This is the customer's phone number. And from here also agent can anytime jump in and talk with the customers as well via WhatsApp, or if they wish, they can also send the SMS as well. They can also send the SMS to the specific same phone number as well. All right. And here currently it says bot is active. If a particular customer's intent is to talk with the human agent, it will automatically post the chatbot and transfer the chat as well. For example, let me say, can I talk with the human agent please? Let me send that and see what happens over here. So it says I have connected you with a human agent, and as you can see your bot active is gone. So now the chatbot will be paused, and here if you want to see what are the conversation assigned to human, click on this human and you will see the WhatsApp latest chat. What are the conversation handled by bot? You can see all these chats. So if you untick, it will show the conversation from both human and bot as well. And from here, a human agent easily can send messages to them and they will receive it as well. And that's a quick video on how you can actually build an AI agent for the painting company. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.